Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can deactivate or delete your Telegram account. Please, friends, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, be sure to put your likes under the video and write, friends, your comments. And let's get right into this topic. So friends, I'll tell you right away that there is no way to temporarily deactivate your Telegram account, unfortunately. There is only the possibility of deleting the account, but it is in principle always enabled in Telegram by default. And you have two options. You can either default to just a timeline for this deletion, or you can delete it manually. And now I'm going to show you how you can do that. So open up the Telegram app. Now on the bottom right-hand side, go to Settings, then Security Privacy. Scroll to the very bottom here and select this option. This option is responsible for how long it takes for your Telegram account to be deleted by itself if you don't log into it. And here you can choose any time scale from 1 month to 24 months. So if you don't log into your Telegram account for 3 months, then automatically after 3 months your account will just be deleted. And you can choose any time you want. I'll say I'll choose 6 months. But you can also choose to delete your account now if you need to do it urgently. This is the way, friends, you can easily delete your account in Telegram app. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. See you, friends.